Now let's solve this equation. Square root of 16 subtract x squared plus square root of 9 subtract x squared equals to 5. We are looking for a solution of x, right? So how do we solve this uh, problem, right? Of course, one of the solutions is to square both sides, right? And then we can get rid of the square root, and then we are going to end up with um, an algebraic equation that we can try to get a solution for. But here we are going to talk about a geometric solution. So can we actually draw pictures and find what the x value actually is, right? How can we draw pictures? So 16 is 4 square, right? 4 square, square root of 4. And 9 is 3 square, right? So if we can, uh, so if we have a right angle triangle and a 4 is the, so suppose we have a right angle triangle, and then so suppose this is 3, right? This is 3, and this is x, right? And this is the right angle triangle, right? Then this side is going to be what? This side is going to be uh, square root of 9 subtract x squared, right? And this is going to be this side, right? Um, and then what about this? Right? Can we actually construct a right angle triangle uh, so that x is one of the vertical side, and then 16 is the tilted side? No, 4 is the tilted side. Yeah, we can do that, right? So if this is x, right, and then can we draw another thing, and then right, and then this is going to be 4, right? This side is going to be 4, and this side, this length is going to be what? It's going to, again, this is the right angle, right? It's a 90 degrees. Square root of 16 subtract x squared, right? So this side is going to be 9 subtract square root of 9 subtract x squared, and this length is going to be 16 square root of 16 subtract x squared. If we add them together, and then that's the what the equation is telling us, it's 5, right? So this side, the total length of this side is going to be 5, right? So this side is 3, this side is 4, and then this side is 5. So it tells us that 3, 4, 5. So this angle is actually a 90-degree angle, right? This is a right angle triangle, 3, 4, 5, right? If you don't believe me, 3 squared, that's 9, plus 4 squared, that's 16, right? Square, that's equals to 25. That's exactly 5 squared, right? So this is actually a right angle triangle, right? 3, 4, 5. So the question becomes what's going to be the height of this right angle triangle, right? So how do we actually find the height if this is the base, right? The base is 5, and then what's going to be the height, right? So what's going to be the area of this right angle triangle? It's going to be 3 times 4 divided by 2, right? So the area of the triangle is 3 times 4 divided by 2, right? And this area should equal to what? Should equal to 5 times x. 5, that's the base, right? Divided by times x, that's the area divided by 2, right? So if we cancel out the 2, then x is going to equal to what? 12 divided by 5, right? That's going to be the height, right? But if you just give the solution as x equals to 12 divided by 5, then that's the incomplete solution, because what appears here is actually x squared, right? So you have to account for this square. So the solution, the correct solution is going to be positive and negative 12 divided by 5, right? Because negative 12 divided by 5 also works, right? Because once you square it, the minus sign disappears. So the correct solution is 12 divided by 5 plus minus 12 divided by 5.